Okay. Hi. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay. You already know. Now you are doing one activity. You have to tell which items will perish quickly and which items will perish slowly. Okay. What is the meaning of perish? Perish meaning spoil. What is the meaning of perish?
Spoil.
Okay. Now tell me. Okay. Now tell me what you took. Okay. Bingo packet. It will perish quickly or slowly?
Quickly.
Huh?
Slowly.
Why are you getting confusing? It is a packet food, no? It didn't have any open seal. So it will perish quickly or slowly? Slowly. Very good. Next, your item? Oh, sweet. It will perish quickly or slowly?
Quickly.
Quickly. Next, what is it?
Biscuit packet.
Biscuit packet will perish quickly or slowly?
Slowly.
Slowly. Why?
Packet.
Packet food. Very good. What is it? Pineapple will perish quickly or slowly?
Quickly.
Why? It is a fruit.
Fruit.
It is a fruit. Mentos will perish quickly or slowly?
Slowly.
Slowly. It is a packet food, okay? And it is a candy also.
Apple.
Apple will perish quickly or slowly?
Quickly.
Quickly. Why it is a? It is a what? Apple is a fruit. Cake. It will perish quickly or slowly?
Quickly.
Quickly. Within 2 days or 3 days it will perish. Next. Jam will perish quickly or slowly?
Slowly.
Why? Packet food. So the items which are packed and have some preservatives, have some manufacture dates, will perish slowly. Remaining items will perish quickly. Children, go and sit. Keep the items here and go and sit. I will ask some. Hello, children.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Remaining members, keep quiet. Okay, children, today we are doing activity on lesson 1. What is our lesson name? What's that smell? What is our lesson name?
What's that smell?
What's that smell? In that lesson, we bring some. In that lesson, they told to bring some few eatables. We already bought that few eatables. I keep it on the table, right? Are you watching? What are there on the table? So, from this, you have to say which items will perish quickly and which items will perish slowly. What is the meaning of perish? Spoil. What is the meaning of perish? Spoil. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay. Now you take something. You take whatever item you want. Take it fast. Okay. Sweet. You took some sweet, no? Sweet will perish quickly or slowly? Quickly. Within 3 to 4 days. Within 3 days you have to eat. Otherwise it will get some sour taste. Okay. Pullati taste laanti vastundannamata. So it will perish quickly. Okay. Next, what is your item? Show. It will perish quickly or fast? Slowly.
Slowly.
Slowly. Why?
This.
It is a
Packet.
packet food. It is a packet food. Packet food will perish slowly. Hey, who is talking? Next. Bingo packet will perish quickly or slowly?
Slowly.
Why?
Packet.
Packet food. Packet food has some preservative, so it will perish slowly. If you open it, then it will perish. If you open the packet, what will happen? It will perish quickly or slowly?
Slowly.
If you open the packet, క్విక్లీ ప్యాకెట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి నువ్వు పెట్టేసావు అనుకో ఎయిర్లో అప్పుడు వేగంగా స్పాయిల్ అయిపోతుంది రైట్ ఓకే ఫైన్ నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ యూ టుక్ సోయా స్టిక్స్ ఇట్ విల్ పెరిష్ క్విక్లీ ఆర్ స్లోలీ
Slowly.
స్లోలీ ఎస్ వై బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ
Packet.
ప్యాకెట్ ఫుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్ వాట్ యూ టుక్ బన్ ఇట్ విల్ పెరిష్ క్విక్లీ ఆర్ స్లోలీ క్విక్లీ వై వాట్ విల్ ఫార్మ్ ఆన్ ది బ్రెడ్
Packet.
what will form on the bread what will form on the bread fungus what it is called mold what it is called mold ఏమంటారు బ్రెడ్ పైన ఫామ్ అయ్యే ఫంగస్ ఏమంటారు mold okay what you took jam will perish quickly or slowly why because it is a packet food it has preservatives to store okay good again who is that okay what you took cake will perish quickly or slowly quickly biscuit packet will perish quickly or slowly slowly why because it is a packet food bingo slowly why packet food very good And you took what?
Pineapple.
Pineapple will perish quickly or slowly? Quickly. Why? Because it is a fruit. Very good. Good. You can go. Keep the